In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an Elementor template shortcode. If you're looking to maximize the potential of your Elementor templates, knowing how to get and use the shortcode is a crucial skill. Let's walk through this process together, step by step, to ensure you have a solid grip on the procedure. First up, you'll want to save your template. So, start by creating a section or an entire page that you'd like to convert into a reusable template within Elementor. You've got your design set up perfectly, so now go ahead and right-click on the section. You should see an option pop up that says Save as Template. Click on this to begin the saving process. Now it's time to give your template a name. It's always a good idea to use a descriptive name that helps you easily identify the template later on, especially if you plan to create and save multiple templates. Once you've named your template, hit the Save button, and your new template will be stored for future use. With that done, we're ready to move on to the next step. Now that you have saved your template, the next thing you need to do is retrieve the shortcode. To access this, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate over to the Templates section, and then to Saved Templates. Here, you'll find a list of all the templates you've saved. From this list, locate the template you just saved. Next to each template, you'll see a shortcode. This is a piece of code that looks like this: Elementor template ID 1234. This code is specific to your template and will be essential for embedding it elsewhere on your site. The final step involves pasting the shortcode you've just copied. Where you decide to paste this shortcode is entirely up to you, depending on where you'd like your Elementor design to appear. You can paste it into a new WordPress page, or post if you want the template to appear directly within your site's content. Alternatively, you might choose to insert it within a shortcode widget in Elementor, which provides flexibility in placing the design within an existing layout. You also have the option to paste the shortcode into a text or HTML widget, expanding your design potential even further. If you have pop-ups or custom theme templates, the shortcode can be added there too, allowing your saved template to be a part of various dynamic content displays. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to get and use an Elementor template shortcode. This skill will streamline your workflow, enabling you to reuse any design effortlessly across your site. Keep practicing, and soon, incorporating templates into your builds will become second nature. Thanks for watching.